What's going on, everybody? How you doing? My name is Dr. Sammybaya. Please welcome back to my channel. Why the no contact rule is important with a narcissist. That is the title of today's episode. Well, if you're watching this video and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to remind you to smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell as well. That way, every time I upload a new video, you get notified about it. Good. The no contact rule. Many people who teach, who talk about the no contact rule, agree that contact with someone, especially with a narcissist, always results in pain. When you maintain zero contact, it is very important for you to be able to heal and to process, right? That to process yourself, the emotional, the mental torture that hit you. Now, the no contact rule is a way of cutting off all communication with a narcissistic ex for some time. And the main reason for this no contact rule is for you to recover from that breakup. The no contact rule helps you it gives you space to heal from that breakup. But it can be a very challenging method, this no contact rule. Especially when you find yourself stalking or checking up your narcissistic ex movements via social media, for instance. So why is this no contact rule so important? Just for emphasis, no contact rule simply just means not having any communication with your former romantic partner for a specified period of time or even forever. It means no contact, full stop. During the no contact period, it is expected that you have zero contact with your ex. That is what the no contact rule says. And it means, when you say no contact, it means no Facebook messages, no liking his or her status updates, or commenting on his status or his updates, no Snapchats, no tweets, no responding when he contacts you, no going to places you think he might be, no telephone calls, no text messages, no instant messaging or emails, no contact in any way via social media, no accidental meetings with this narcissistic ex, no contacting your ex's friends or family, no stalking, especially no stalking in social accounts. Now, going no contact is useful after a relationship has broken up, especially if you are the one who was dumped or if you are the one who was betrayed. Going no contact is very beneficial to you. Going no contact can be used. You can use it to detach yourself from a narcissist, all right, from an abusive narcissistic partner. But of course, if you and your ex-partner, narcissist, have children together, then you have to discuss certain issues regarding your kids. So that dialogue is unavoidable. But you should practice what we call limited contact or gray rock. Just make sure your interactions are very minimal, sticking to the issues of the children, if you must interact at all. And that same rule applies if you have joint businesses, for instance, or business interests, or anything that joins the two of you together. However, if you are prepared to implement no contact rule, then you will reap many significant benefits. You will gain so much from no contact rule with your narcissistic ex. And the opposite is true. If you continue to contact your narcissistic ex, you're not only exposing yourself to extreme distress and stress, but you're also adding fuel. You're adding paraffin to the fire of you longing, missing, wanting reconciliation with this narcissistic ex. And this way you'll be hindering your emotional recovery. And you will sabotage all your future relationships. You'll jeopardize them. Now, straight to the point. What are the benefits of no contact rule with the narcissist? Now, quickly, before I jump into this important section, I want to quickly remind you again, if you're watching this video, hit the subscribe button if you've not done so. All right? And don't forget to share this video widely. Word has it out there that this channel, Dr. Sammybaya YouTube channel, is one of the best YouTube channels as far as narcissistic relationships topics are concerned. All right? So please tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about it. Good. What are the benefits of using no contact rule? No contact rule gives you time to grieve the end of your relationship. It prevents you from demeaning, from embarrassing yourself unnecessarily. It helps in clarifying your mental health. It puts things back into normal. It helps you to reconnect with your life, yourself. It helps you rediscover the distinction between you, the difference between you, your uniqueness, the difference between you and your ex. It helps you have healthy boundaries. In short, no contact is an opportunity for you to recover and to reinvent yourself, to become the better version of yourself, to redefine yourself. No contact rule with a narcissist is very important. It gives you space to detox. It gives you space to detox. We all know that growth is painful and change is painful. But nothing is as painful as being stuck with a narcissistic ex. A breakup can be very emotional experience, a high emotional experience. And you need a lot of time, a lot of space to detox from it all. A lot of time, space to move on. You need your feelings to be back, all right, to normal. You need to be yourself. You need yourself back. It is not easy. It's a process. All right? So, when you're not in contact, when you are in contact with your narcissistic ex, it will prevent you from achieving this. It will mess your head. Because your narcissistic ex will keep messing with you intentionally. When you engage with him, that is the surest way that you will not be okay. You will not be able to move on. Now, no contact rule helps you to get over your ex. It helps you to get over your narcissist ex. As they say, time heals. But I want to clarify this point. Time does not just heal, but it is active process during this time that will help you heal. Time will not help you heal anything if you continue to see and speak to your narcissistic ex. Even if 10 years pass and you keep talking to your narcissistic ex, you keep seeing them all the time in your face, you will not move on. What makes you heal and move on is the combination of time and space. A lot of time from your narcissistic ex and a lot of space from them. You don't see them, you don't talk to them. And with time, you will be able to move on and forget them completely. The no contact period helps you. It gives you time to go through the stages of grieving a breakup. And that is the most important part of healing. When you're in contact with your ex, they stop this stage of grieving. You will not go through it. So you will not be able to get over them. You will not be able to get over that narcissist if he's always in front of you. Or you'll find yourself focusing on how much you want him back. Or you'll start focusing on how much you miss him. Now, the point here is that you will never stop. You will never extinguish your feelings for that narcissist ex. If he's always there in your eyes, if he's always there in your life, talking to them, seeing them, interacting with them, you will never be able to extinguish those feelings that you had with them. That candle will not blow out if you're always in contact with your ex. Now, another benefit of no contact rule with a narcissist is that you can have a chance with other guys. Yes, you might not be very ready to date at the moment because you are heartbroken with your narcissistic ex, but still you'll be able to see opportunities. And who knows, you might grab one of them. And after all, your narcissistic ex is not blocking your view to see properly. When you are in no contact with your narcissistic ex, it means they are out of the picture. And this clearly gives space for someone else to step in. Even if you're not interested in dating, but you'll be able to see what is out there. But you'll not be able to do this if you are always in contact with a narcissistic ex. They block you. Another importance of no contact rule with your narcissistic ex, it helps you avoid this on and off relationship cycle. If you're always in contact with your narcissistic ex, you'll find yourself in what we call post-relationship relationship. And that's the worst type of a relationship. You've broken up, but you're still having a post-relationship relationship. Sometimes you talk, sometimes you hang out together, but you're not in a relationship. You're in no man's land. None of the issues you had gets solved, and they'll never get solved. You get into that pattern of breaking off, making up, missing each other, getting together, being infatuated with each other, breaking up again. And the cycle goes on and on and on. This cycle of toxic narcissistic relationship will never stop. Clearly, you need to stop it, and the best way is to go no contact. This is where the no contact rule will help you. You'll have a better chance of healing yourself. Another benefit of no contact rule with a narcissist, it helps you, it gives you the chance to have your life back together. You need to put yourself back together after the breakup, and this is where the no contact rule comes in handy. You need to get back the old you, to know who you are. You need to spend time working on your relationship with yourself. And this is the beginning of having successful relationship with others in future. But this will not be possible if you are still in close contact with your narcissistic ex. The other benefit of no contact rule is that it helps you to remember that you can live without that narcissistic ex. Yes, sometimes you think that narcissistic ex is like oxygen to you, and that you will die if they exit from your life. But the truth is that life will always go on. You will live without him. And you might be shocked that your life will be much better even without him. But how can you know that if you are in no contact, if you're always in contact with that narcissistic ex? Do no contact rule. And you might find yourself learning to smile again. You might relearn who you truly are. You learn how to smile again without him. Now, if you're watching this video and you like it, and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell as well. Share this video widely to all those who may need it. Remember, knowledge is power, information is power, and learning is the superpower. I love you all to the moon and back. God bless you. Catch you later in the next video. Please subscribe. Thank you.